that Elvis?
That was stupid.
No. That did.
Can't quite do that anymore.
You're all over the scope.
Oh, there's a ladybug in here. Oh, there's two. They're having sex.
Oh, nice.
They're mating.
I'd like to get a close-up of the mom tattoo. Yeah. There we go. That better make the cut.
Bugs everywhere.
This is Twisted. Twisted sister. Too close.
That made me dizzy. Was my tongue blue?
You are the joy of my life.
I'll leave that audio.
Turn this way, I'll tell you when to stop. Real slow. Look at the sun though. There. Slowly turn this way. Slow, slow, slow. Stop. Go a little bit the other way. Stop. There. Perfect. Oh my gosh. So cool. Okay. Okay. Do a little, there's no place like home. Click your heels.
I feel bugs on me. Oh, that could have been bad.
What is that nasty smell?
Whatever that plant is over there.
I like the windy bug in my eye. My feet are in it. Damn.
And stuff.
It's a little dark, but you like it like that?
How dark? Does it look like the pictures?
Yeah.
Is it straight?
Get that ass. No. Why don't you? Oh, we saw some coochie there.
Did we?
Yeah.
I have my underwear on.
Oh, then it's your underwear. Are they black?
They're brown.
Oh, there's my foot again. Oops. We don't want underboob flying out. Don't let me walk off the cliff.
Yeah, don't walk back further.
You want to fix your hair?
Not really.
There you go.
Mom, it's too windy. It's too windy. Got that on video.
Fucking flies.
Relax.
No, they're going in my face. The hell was that?
Sound like a wild boar.
Turn and face the
I'm
sun.
gonna sneeze. Don't fall. Last thing we need is a broken hip this round.
I'm already tore up my hands.
Do my arms look straight?
No. My nose is dripping. My eyes are watering.
Ooh, something cracked.
It was my shoulder.
It's my ankle.
Ready? We're going.
Oh,